Okay, today we're gonna let the Mr. Squirrel dog that always gets teased with the squirrel actually get to go and hunt some squirrels. But we use a different word than squirrel when we're telling him he's gonna get to do something, which I think he already knows. Where's the bunnies? You gonna go bunny hunting? This is what he does.
Let's go get the bunnies. Let's go get the bunnies. Oh, let's go get the bunnies. He's starting without me.
Okay. He's a happy boy. He knows what he's getting to do. Maybe he'll get lucky and get the bunny.
All right, Bobo, you go get the bunnies. Guys, let's go get the bunnies. Let's go get the bunnies. Oh, we can go get the bunnies. Yeah, let's go get the bunnies. Oh boy. We're walking out to where we go do some bunny hunting. Right now he's just sniffing everything. Come on, Bobo. Come on, Bobo, let's go get the bunnies. Come on. Come on, let's go. Bobo, come on. Come on. Yeah, this is our house area. And we are going down to the lower area to go find the bunnies. Might get lucky and see some on the driveway, but I'm not sure. It's a little early yet for the driveway. Find them bunnies. Find them bunnies. Find them bunnies. Find them bunnies. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. All right, folks. Well, we got to get on a hunt. So I'm going to have to put the phone down. And we'll see if we come back with anything. Yeah, a little more videoing. Right now he's just doing the marking of the territory. It's a perfect day for it. Bobo, here. 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 Good boy. Good boy. Find it. Find it. Ooh, I sent you right into the raspberry bushes. Sorry, buddy. Bobo out. Bobo out. Bobo out. Good boy. Good boy. All right, let's go further down, bud. You don't want to get you full of raspberry bushes. All right, I'm turning this off now because we're almost to the spot. Well, so far we scared up a grouse and one bunny. The grouse I did not have a shot at. It flew right by Bo where I had my opening, so I didn't want to take that chance. And the rabbit, the rabbit he ran in after, so I didn't get a shot at that one either. Bo, come. Come. Ha. Good boy. All that matters to me is that he's having fun. You having fun, buddy? Oh boy. Find those bunnies. Anyway, maybe next time we'll get that grouse.